Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in this video, I am going to walk you through some steps if you are in a situation where your video is stuck and not processing on TikTok. So, let's start. So, when you are in a situation where your video is stuck and not processing on TikTok, there are a few things that you can do. So, first, make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So, be sure to update your TikTok app to its latest version. The second one is you can re upload your video in TikTok. So, you can tap on the plus sign, take the video, and re upload it to TikTok. Another thing that you can do is actually clear the cache for your TikTok app. So you can go to your phone settings, go to apps, and here you can search for TikTok. So what you want to do is you can go to storage and tap on clear cache. And then you can clear your data. Now, once that's done, you can go back and you can launch TikTok again. Now, this should fix your problem. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.